guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm actually going to be packing a little fidget box for Indianapolis, because I'm going to Indianapolis today, so yeah, that's fun. First, I'm obviously going to bring this Pop-It. It's really entertaining and fun to pop. And I'm going to bring these fidgets that are around my neck, too, like these ones. Oh, someone... Should I bring my really bad popsicle Pop-It? I'm gonna bring my popsicle Pop-It. It's not good. My roller rings I'm gonna bring because they're very entertaining, well, at least for me. I'm gonna bring this. It's kind of... I don't know who was that. So I'm going to bring this. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put my rings in. And I'm going to wear this ring because it's really cute. And I feel like I should wear this one too. It's such a cute little frog. It's just like a little frog hanging onto my little hand. But I'm going to put my buddy one on because it fits better. So cute. Okay. I'm gonna bring this. I do have this Pop-It, but I don't really know if I want to bring it. Like, it's good and all, but I don't know if I want to bring it. What if I bring this one though? Do I want to bring this next? Okay, so what's next? In the ASMR pod, I'm not going to bring this one because it makes me kind of mad. So for the ASMR pod, maybe I should just bring it. I'm going to bring this ASMR pod. And for the ASMR bar, I'm going to bring one of my favorite ones. This is one of my favorite ones I have because it's really nice and it like really rolls. It rolls really nicely. And I really like it, so yeah, it's fun. For a stress ball, I don't know if I should bring a needle because all my needles keep on popping on me. Like, a lot of them. Don't know why. Let me go see if my strawberry one is better because I accidentally popped my strawberry needle. I'll be right back, guys. Stay with me. It is fixed. If you can see, that's where the hole was. I put stuff in it and now it's like all fixed, so yeah. Well, maybe I should bring my poop stress ball. But I feel like my little cousins might break it. It's so squishy though, so I'm gonna. What else? Look at this huge mochi. It's super squishy. I'm not going to bring a huge one, but I'm going to bring a small one. This is one of my favorite mochis. It's a cute little snail. And my snail is so adorable. I have a 3-piece of unicorn. I have this one, and I have this one. I really like the purple one. Like, the white one's really dirty, so yeah, but the purple one's really squishy, and the pink one's just not as squishy, so. But yeah, this purple one's really squishy. Maybe I should bring the purple one, or I can bring this little cat. I think I'm gonna bring this cat and the unicorn because they're both super cute. So I do have this cat, but I'm not gonna bring it because I don't want to. Another mochi that's really cool is like this popper one. And it's super like squishy. And it's see-through, so yeah. Also really like these ones. Look at it. They look really funny. These are also some of, I have a lot of favorites. So this bunny is not my favorite, but tell me, it is so cute. I'm showing you so many of my mochis. This one is so small, but like look at the size of it compared to a normal one. It's so small. I don't know why it's so small, but it is. But I'm not gonna bring it because, yeah, that is how the cookie crumbles. I really want to jump over the pop too, and I really want a mini pop. I'm not gonna bring a pop too because these are gonna get broken. Yes, I'm gonna bring a marble mesh. Oh my gosh. Marble mesh are so entertaining. Like, I could be like, what'd you say? For so long. Then here's like a homemade tangle I made. I don't know if I should bring it, but like, super entertaining and fun. Oh mess. I'm not gonna bring it down. Bike chains are just not my favorite. They just get stuck too much. Like, I might bring like a sensor ring because I kind of want to bring a sensor ring, and then maybe like a tangle. But I always play with this one. But you guys are probably like, where'd your other tangle go that you always, your other one, because, you know, I have 3 tangles. Well, I actually gave away my other tangle to someone so they could start, because they were starting a fidget collection and they needed some fidgets. So this one is actually a really good tangle and I'm bringing it, it's fun. I like just like messing around with these, because, yeah. Okay, and now for the chef's balls. I really want to bring this one, but this one's gonna get broken. So far, I only have one chef's ball, but I have Nitos, but those are, I mean not Nitos, I have mochis, but those aren't really chef's balls, so. I have like this, but that's a Nito, and it's gonna explode. Should I bring this? Oh my gosh. This is super good. It's, one of my homemade fidgets, but it's gotten really good. This is a really good chess ball. Should I like bring this? This is like really good. I might bring that, I don't know. Should I bring this sloth? It has like sand filled in it. I need to, like, oh, sorry. Should I bring my tornado ball? I don't know what chef's ball I should bring. Or maybe this one. It has a mermaid in it. Mermaid in it. That's a bunch of sparkles and the stuff that came off the mermaid. Should I bring...